Alright guys, I'm taking a look at assessment of what I got going on here. So I want to show you guys what happened with Pinion. So this is my 63 tooth that I got the 41. See how that's ground down? So that screw I was talking about, see what it did to my drive shaft? That was flipped the other way, so it still works and all, but that's definitely what ate my gear. It wasn't the spur mesh, it was definitely that. Well, probably a combination, but so anyways, I ordered 3 more. Yeah, I found two places that were like $2-3 a piece, and then like $3 shipping. So you know, I figure why not. This is probably the one I'm going to be going with in the end game, but in the interim, I got in a Traxxas 54 tooth, but that won't work, so go save you guys some money. Don't do what I did. It's the Integrity, I think, or T-Max, not Traxxas. So that's too big. I thought it was going to work, but that made me start looking at the other stuff. So these are the 60, that's 70, and this is the 68. I have this that come out of XLF 650 1/16 scale. This is the drive it's got. It's the same diameter as those. Cup works too, so this cup will work. But what I'm going to do, the only difference is, see here, a little bit taller, so I gotta shave a little off. I'm just gonna shave a little bit off. Only problem is I only have a 19 tooth pinion. So this, I believe it was 44 when I counted it out. So I'm going from a 63 pinion with a 36 or a 63 spur with a 36 pinion to a 19 pinion, so just to play with. I'm going to see if it's any good. If it runs good, I might see if I can source another pinion, but I got all kinds of these coming, so we'll see what happens. I was also dabbling with the idea of, some of you WL guys will recognize this. So WL, that's your end, but it's the same size. Let's set this down for a second. Same size as this. So that's your, you can always shave it down, make yourself a pinion, just a set pin, have it go all the way down like you do with your standard WL. And then you'd be cutting that down even more. You can use WL pinions. I got a ton of them. So I have some backup plans that I kind of want to experiment with. We got 6 weeks, so I figured I might as well play and try it out. First I'm going to start with the XLF 650, because I think that's got the most potential. 44 tooth. And it fits in the existing, very little modification. I just got to shave that like a millimeter, and we'll be ready to go. So I'll do that. I'll come back and we'll see how it fits. Alright guys, so I was able to put a 19 tooth, that's the largest one I had. This is a standard 32. I might be, well, I had meshed up a Tamiya Mod 8 32, and it worked really good, but it wasn't perfect. This one must be a standard 32. Not sure where it came from. Don't really care. It works. So I shaved it down. It's really tight, but the mesh, I mean the spacing in there for the bearings really tight, so I had to kind of wedge it in there, but it runs really, really smooth. Let's hook a battery up to her and let her rip a minute, man. Using our new URGENEX 3S. I haven't charged them yet, so it's just what was in the box. These are the 2200 mAhs with the XT connectors. They're a little smaller than the other ones. Well, or 22 instead of 24, which is plenty for this. So that's about half throttle. That's about half throttle. So we're gonna get her out tomorrow, do a shakedown. Hoping to get 45 with her at least. Probably do it at Ma's. My favorite speed run spot. Always do best there. Anyways, yeah, I dig it, man. I'm gonna button her back up, finish getting the shocks back together and all of that stuff. And Adam, thanks for the tip, man. These move these back, and it's TNA, man, or TNB. You know, it's awesome, dude. Works good. So I'm pretty happy. That was I do have some standard, like I said, I do have some standards coming. The ones that I was running before the gears ground, and I got my pinions in for the Mod 6, so I'm ready to go when those show up. But we'll see where this goes. I'm actually looking into some pinions on this, you know, because the 32s I can use in the Tamiyas anyways. So, anyways, yeah, looking good. Looking good. Oh, she's ready to go. I can't put those two screws in here, there, and there. It makes it bind, but I'm able to put the back in, and this I could partially put that one in, which is fine. Hopefully there's no catastrophic failures. I gotta find a better way though. But again, this is experiment, free pinion, and you know. Good enough. Next you'll see her running.